Every D2C brand today runs the same playbook. A storefront on Shopify, BigCommerce, WooCommerce, or a custom stack. A marketing dashboard for ads. A spreadsheet for inventory. A reviews tool for sentiment. A Slack channel for everything else. It works for now, but the buyer is changing fast. For 30 years, commerce has been built around the human shopper and the human operator. Searching, clicking, dashboarding, deciding. The next decade looks different. Buyers will ask their agents what they need. Operators will approve strategy instead of running dashboards. The work that fills a 30-tab browser today will happen in seconds between agents. Agivant is the agentic intelligence layer for D2C commerce. It sits on top of whatever you already run, Shopify, BigCommerce, WooCommerce, custom, and gives you an AI workforce that operates your store, talks to buyer agents, and brings every decision to you for approval. Let me show you what that looks like. This is the Agivant Control Tower, sitting on top of a D2C running brand called Lane Athletics. The left panel is split into two halves. The top half is your workspace. Overview gives the daily pulse. Approvals is the queue of decisions agents have prepared for you, wherein you can approve, modify, or reject the actions of the agent. Orchestration is where you watch the agent cascade run. Memory holds every long-running fact about your store. And the explainability log is the full audit trail of every agent decision and the reasoning behind it. Below that sits the AI workforce specialist agents. Each one holds deep context on your store. We will meet them shortly. Let's see the agents in performance. The stock out response. Inventory agent detects that your hero SKU is going to be out of stock in 31 hours during peak season. Watch the knowledge graph beneath the timeline. As each agent thinks, you see the graph traversal, the catalog entities and relationships that decision is grounded in. This is not a black box. Forecasting confirms the demand spike. Supplier evaluates 3 vendors and selects the fastest. Marketing redirects ad spend to a healthy SKU. Finance validates the $140,000 purchase order against budget headroom. Control Tower assembles 3 actions for you to review. 6 agents reasoned in 6 seconds. 1 click of approval. The work happens. Workflow 2. Sentiment agent reads the reviews coming into your store and flags 12 negatives in 24 hours, all clustering on delivery delays. 340 customers at churn risk. Support agent escalates the 3 highest LTV customers to a human rep. Merchandising profiles the cohort and selects a $25 voucher offer with a 68% historical recovery rate. Marketing composes 340 personalized apology emails. Finance allocates the budget. $40,000 of customer LTV protected against $22,000 of spend. Here is the customer signals view, the actual reviews, the LTV tags, the recovery status. Full reasoning right there for you to inspect. Workflow 3 is where things get interesting. This is the agentic storefront in action. Customer opens WhatsApp and tells his buyer agent he needs running shoes for marathon training. He never visits your store directly. He never opens a browser. His buyer agent parses the intent, queries the merchant network, and Lane's merch agent returns the X6 Elite, top-rated for marathon segment, in stock. Pricing engages a conversion window bundle discount. The buyer agent presents the recommendation. Customer confirms in 1 line. 5.4 seconds end-to-end. Agent to agent. No friction, no checkout funnel, no abandoned cart. Just an order placed. You can then approve all the decisions at once or one by one in the Approvals tab. This is what commerce looks like when buyers and merchants speak through agents. And this is what your brand needs to be ready for. Now, let me show you the workforce itself. Every agent has a profile. Click any one of them and you see their performance, actions taken, autonomy rate, accuracy, revenue impact attributed to their decisions. Merchandising agent, 12 actions today, 11 autonomous, 94% accuracy, $14,000 of attributed revenue impact. Each agent answers for its own work, and every agent is conversational. 1 question, top performing SKUs this week. 3 sentences, grounded in your store's actual data. You stay in the loop. The agent does the work. 3 workflows, 20+ agent decisions, 6 approvals, roughly 90 seconds of your time for what would normally be a full day of work across 7 different tools. Your competitors are still running spreadsheets. Your buyers are about to start running agents. The brands that bridge this gap first will own the next decade of D2C. Agivant gives you the intelligence layer to do it, without ripping out anything you've already built. Let's talk.